Seeds of Wisdom RV and Economic Updates Sunday afternoon, November 24, 24. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Good afternoon. Dinar recaps. XRP lawsuit news. Ex-SEC attorney says, no settlement, because Gensler won half the case. XRP's price surged massively following Gary Gensler's announcement that he will step down as SEC chairman in January 2025. This revelation has sparked speculation about whether the XRP SEC lawsuit could come to an end before Gensler's departure. A social media user speculated that Gary Gensler and the SEC might offer a settlement before he leaves, in an attempt to avoid looking like total losers, or to at least make it seem like they had a win. However, former SEC lawyer Mark Fagel responded, saying that the SEC has already won half of the case. He doubts the same commissioners who voted to appeal the other half would change their stance now. While it's possible, he finds it unlikely and reassured that the case won't get dismissed. He wrote, "They already won half the case. I don't know why the same commissioners who voted to appeal the other half would reverse course now. Possible, but seems unlikely." Conclusion. What's next for Ripple and XRP? XRP has reached $1.50, with an increase in trading volume. Analysts are bullish, with some predicting a price surge to $2 in the near term. XRP is currently showing strong bullish momentum, and the launch of an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF, in the US could push its price even higher. The recent rise is also fueled by new developments, such as the listing of physical XRP across major European exchanges. Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, has expressed optimism about the future of XRP. Especially with Donald Trump's potential Treasury Secretary pick, Scott Bessent, which could further benefit XRP's outlook. According to lawyer Jeremy Hogan, the Ripple vs. SEC case could be resolved by spring or early summer 2025. Gensler's exit may speed up the process and lead to a more favorable regulatory environment for XRP. RWAINC announces $RWA token launch across major exchanges on November 25, 2024. On November 25, 2024, RWA Inc. is set to launch its utility token $RWA on KuCoin, Gate.io, and MEXC, bringing years of hard work to fruition. Since its founding, RWA Inc. has aimed to redefine how investors and businesses interact with real-world assets by creating a trusted platform that bridges the gap between traditional markets and the Web3 space. $RWA token. Powering the ecosystem. The $RWA token serves as the backbone of RWA Inc.'s multi-asset platform, playing an integral role in the functions of its products and services. It supports staking mechanisms, reduces transaction fees, and powers user engagement across the ecosystem, including the Launchpad, Exchange, Community Hub, and the forthcoming Marketplace. RWA Launchpad. The Launchpad utilizes a tiered staking mechanism, enabling users to stake $RWA and earn high APYs, allocation for Launchpad projects, rewards, and early access to innovative ventures. RWA Exchange. The exchange incorporates a tiered staking system that reduces trading fees for investors and allows $RWA to be used for transaction fee payments. Community Hub. While staking is not available, users can earn $RWA by engaging with campaigns, creating content, and participating in community-driven activities. RWA Marketplace. In the forthcoming Marketplace, $RWA will function similarly to the exchange, lowering transaction fees through staking and serving as a payment method for transactions. In addition to its core functionalities, the $RWA token provides governance. Token holders can participate in governance decisions, influencing the future development of the platform. Access. The token grants priority access to Launchpad projects, exclusive campaigns, and reward programs. Liquidity. As the primary medium for transactions within the ecosystem, $RWA facilitates secure trading and ensures smooth operations across products. EDO fundraising campaign. As part of RWA Inc.'s launch, it is actively raising $800,000 USD through a series of initial DEX offerings, IDOs. These IDOs are hosted on prominent launchpads Bybit, Easy, and Ape Terminal, chosen for their reputations and ability to reach diverse investor audiences. This multi-platform raise is designed to maximize brand exposure and offer investors the flexibility to participate using their preferred platforms. This approach effectively expands RWA Inc.'s market reach, laying the foundation for a successful fundraising campaign and in turn, the next phase of the project development. Exchange listings. Upon the conclusion of the IDOs, the $RWA token is set to go live on 3 CEXs. This listing marks a pivotal moment for RWA Inc., with trading set to begin on November 25, 2024, at 10 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time. Investors will be able to trade the token on KuCoin, Gate.io, and MEXC, three exchanges renowned for their global reach, reliable trading infrastructure, and support for innovative projects. Go-to-market strategy. RWA Inc.'s go-to-market strategy leverages its launchpad for onboarding innovative startups and driving adoption of real-world asset tokenization. They are focused on a specific profile of token issuers, starting with Web2 startups, scale-ups from seed to B-series stage, who are looking for disruptive ways to raise capital for their growth companies. With a carefully curated pipeline of projects ready for launch, RWA Inc. will likely start onboarding its first clients shortly after launch. The company's revenue streams are generated through their tokenization service, launchpad IDOs, listing fees, staking mechanisms, and transaction fees paid in $RWA, creating a diversified and sustainable model for platform growth. To further strengthen the ecosystem, 50% of the platform's profit has been committed to a buyback and burn mechanism, fortifying long-term value for stakeholders. The RWA Inc. project was carefully designed for long-term value generation and aims to lead the tokenized RWA market by example. This strategic approach has garnered the company traction in what is the fastest-growing market in the Web3 space. About RWA Inc. RWA Inc. offers end-to-end real-world asset tokenization through a cutting-edge multi-asset platform that includes tokenization as a service, a launchpad, and a marketplace. With a short-term focus on startup utility tokens for our go-to-market strategy, our primary emphasis is on strategically expanding into startup equity tokens, real estate, collectibles, and other asset classes via registered security tokens. As an innovator in the RWA niche, we help tech startups and established companies successfully launch utility and security-compliant tokens and thrive in the Web3 market. Our approach addresses the need for extensive tokenization support for Web2 startups, fostering their dynamic growth potential. Our versatile solution aims to unlock opportunities across diverse asset classes, enhance liquidity, broaden market reach, support business development, and unlock asset value, effectively meeting market demands. XRP secures Golden Cross against Bitcoin. What's next? XRP has achieved a major technical pattern in its Bitcoin, BTC, pairing, forming a Golden Cross. This technical pattern, often seen as a bullish signal, occurs when a short-term moving average crosses above a long-term moving average. A Golden Cross happens when the 50-day simple moving average, SMA, crosses above the 200-day SMA, indicating potential upward momentum. XRP has been steadily gaining ground against Bitcoin in recent weeks. The recent altcoin bull run has seen funds flowing from Bitcoin into other cryptocurrencies, including XRP. Golden Cross pattern explained with examples and charts. What is a Golden Cross? A Golden Cross is a chart pattern in which a relatively short-term moving average crosses above a long-term moving average. It is a bullish breakout pattern that forms when a security's short-term moving average, such as the 50-day moving average, crosses above its long-term moving average, such as the 200-day moving average, or resistance level. As long-term indicators carry more weight, the Golden Cross indicates the possibility of a long-term bull market emerging. High trading volumes generally reinforce the indicator. The first stage requires that a downtrend eventually bottoms out as buyers overpower sellers. In the second stage, the shorter moving average crosses over the larger moving average to trigger a breakout and confirms a downward trend reversal. Note: Support is a low price level that the market does not allow. Resistance is a high price level that the market resists. A breakout occurs when the price crosses one of these levels. The last stage is a continuing uptrend after the crossover. The moving averages act as support levels on pullbacks until they cross back down. The most commonly used moving averages for observing the golden cross are the 50-day and 200-day moving averages. Generally, longer periods tend to form stronger, lasting breakouts. For example, the 50-day moving average crossover up through the 200-day moving average on an index like the S&P 500 is one of the most popular bullish market signals. Day traders commonly use smaller periods like the 5-day and 15-day moving averages to trade intraday golden cross breakouts. Some traders might use different periodic increments, like weeks or months, depending on their trading preferences and what they believe works for them. But when choosing different periods, it's important to understand that the larger the chart time frame, the stronger and more lasting the golden cross breakout tends to be. Black small square A golden cross is a technical chart pattern indicating the potential for a major rally. Black small square the golden cross appears on a chart when a stock's short-term moving average crosses above its long-term moving average. Black small square the golden cross can be contrasted with a death cross, which indicates a bearish price movement. How does a golden cross form? The golden cross is a momentum indicator, which means that prices are continuously increasing, gaining momentum. It means that traders and investors have changed their outlooks to bullish rather than bearish. The indicator generally has 3 stages. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Source: Dinar Recaps.